What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will. So got another dash cam in, and I'm actually going to be upgrading my 300 again, but this is actually going in the charger. This is the Vantrue dash cam and2. There's a pro version for about $30 more. This is about $169, but I definitely suggest that you grab this version because you can add a GPS module, I believe, for like $5 if you wanted to either one. However, this is a dual camera setup, and you've got 1080p on both cameras. You got a camera facing you and a camera facing out. But if you decide to do just a front-facing camera, you can actually record in 2K. This isn't the first dash cam that I've had that records in 2K, but this is the first dash cam with a dual setup that I have. And I've got another dual setup camera that'll be here very soon. So check that video out. Depending on when you're watching this, check it out or wait for it. And I'm going to put that one in the 300, but this one is going in the charger. And I'm trying to eliminate, I want good quality, but I like the dual setup. So check this one out here. We're going to get into this box here. So again, this is a dual camera setup. So the camera facing you can cover the interior of your car and the people behind you, and then you know, the camera going out front will cover the front end of your car. I mean, you probably thinking, Jay, you got a lot of dash cams. I actually have 2-3 cameras in my 300, but I think having a dash cam, man, it's almost like a standard now. Like, cars should actually just come with them already, but the way the market is, yeah, no, we're gonna have to. they're gonna want us to actually to buy our dash cam still. So you got some paperwork here I'm kind of looking at. That's just to contact them. Okay, so this is how it goes. You can power through USB. Like most of these, you got the car charger set up in there. You got a little camera. Then you got a little dash cam right here. And then I'm going to power this on, show you. And you can actually connect to your PC to play back the footage. That's pretty cool. It should have a quick release on here probably. I like that they give you a color manual in English, man. And that sounds crazy, but I get a lot of stuff, and here it is in another language, but I get a lot of stuff in where it's not in the correct language, and, you know, no disrespect, but it doesn't do me any good. So here's another manual here to tell you all about how to get this thing going if you can't figure it out. But, you know, putting together a dash cam is super easy. The hardest part probably is wiring your car, hardwiring it if you wanted to. Oh, I like this. I didn't know it was this big. This is pretty sweet. You'll just go, this one will be facing you, and this one will be facing out. So you got to remember to take this off, this lens cover. That ruins it for a lot of people. They're like, man, it was blurry. Well, that's because you still have the lens covers on. So this camera doesn't have one. So you've got your park assistant right there. Again, you do have GPS or whatever, but you don't have to add that because most people have GPS in their car. So you've got the USB there. You got your audio, video out. You know what I'm saying? If you want to do another one, let's just pop open this. Yeah, here we go. And you got HDMI out, mini HDMI, and then this is where your SD card is going to go. So that's pretty sweet right there. Pretty nice, man. I'm feeling it. Let you know you get 1080p, full HD, and you can do that on both sides, remember. So we're going to pop this on here. See what else is in the box. You got all your accessories and everything you'll need. You definitely need that. And you've got a USB cable, and you've got your charging cable. So, well, this is the car charger. Now, I won't need any of this, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably not going to use this, but you do get an extra little swivel here. You pop this open, you can plug in a phone or something like that if you just need your jack. But I might actually go ahead and run this cable. Yeah, I might just go ahead and rerun the cable on here, rerun the wires, you know what I'm saying? And just put this one in. But that's pretty sweet right there, that you got that right there. So that's pretty hot. This, again, this will be going in the charger, so you just keep watching this video because I got a lot planned for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and do the install. You know what I'm saying? These are pretty simple right here to understand. You got your power and your menu button and your motion button. You know, when you go through the navigation of the buttons right there, and there's your microphone down there. But let's see what this looks like in the car. This is pretty hot right here, man. Whew. This is sweet. All right, guys, so I got it installed, man. I'm in the charger. You know, it's looking good, man. This is going to be a good look. You got the front camera right there. Focus. got the front camera right here facing me. You can see my finger kind of in the reflection. Then you got the rear camera. So right now I got it set for 1080p and 720p. That's where it came for the default settings. And I don't really feel the need to change it. You know what I mean? It's just, it's a dash cam. This is a hot setup right here. I really like this. I think this is a good look. It's nice. The suction cup on this is really, really sweet. So I'm gonna give you some footage now. And in this portion right here, I know it looks like I'm getting ready to go rob somebody, but I was at the car wash, man, so I just want to show you a quick clip. Show you how the front camera, or the front-facing camera, does. Clear view, man. It's super clear when using the front camera. It's pretty nice.